Hello, this is Raihan. Welcome to another video of Java class number 3. In this video, I will explain about Java syntax. So when we are create a new project, before I take a few documents or few things, so now let's see that. Okay, first we need to select a project name. Okay, if you create a package, then package under you have to connect a lot of class. Okay, so now let's check it. So this is a Java syntax picture. Now I explain about this syntax. Actually, you need to understand that picture very carefully. At this time you need to focus on your mind. So first you see this is a class, and this class is a keyword. Okay, and this is a class name. Okay, it's depend on you how class you need to include. You can do it on yourself. And the next you see this is a public keyword, and this also static keyword. After you see this is a void. Okay, this is a return type keyword. Okay, and you know that every single program they have a return type, so this also the return type is included. And this is a main method. The main method is very important for our Java program. Without main method is not do anything. Okay, and the next you see this is a string. Okay, this is a parameter type, and the next is parameter name. Okay, and after you see this is what? This is a output statement. Okay, this is output statement. I mean, this is a print statement. When you print any program, when you do any project, then you need to print. Okay, then you can do it this line. Okay, I will clear everything when I show you on the NetBeans. Okay, now you need to know that this is next is integer. Okay, it's the data type, and this is a statement. So every single line this statement, if this line is int semicolon. Okay, and this is also, you know, that curly bracket is the int of class, and this is int of a method, because this for this one and this for this one. So I think you got this picture. And the next I have also another picture. This picture is very important for you. This is not a picture, this is a keyword. Okay, let's see we have 48 keyword here. This is a very important keyword. Every keyword we are understand to part by part. Just you need to remind you, and you need to first focus on this picture. Just you see on time. Okay, I think you got it everything. So now I'm move on our NetBeans. There I create a project practically, and I understand to you so easily. Okay, and now I open this NetBeans. Just wait a minute. So okay, everybody, you see this is a NetBeans window. So look, my left hand side I have already project. This project I was create before a video, the previous video. So if you haven't installed on your device this NetBeans, then I highly recommend it to you. You go to my previous video. I explain about the NetBeans software, how to download and how to install on your computer. Okay, if you have a install on this PC, then now we are going to move on to build a project. Okay, so first we need to create a new file, I mean a new project. Okay, so go to file, and here you see this new project option. Or you can take is another way, which is Ctrl+Shift+N. Then you got this window, I mean this dialog box, and you should select Java application and then next. Okay, and now we need to give a project name, syntax. Okay, and you see this is a project path, and you can select a project path, and this is a project folder also, and this is a project ID. This is Unicoder Academy. I select before that, and this is a version, and this is a package. Okay, so I want to stay the same here, Unicoder Academy.syntax. Okay, so everything is fine. Now finish. Okay, my dear friends, you see left and right. First, this is my project name, this is my new project, and this is a folder. And the next, you see this is my package. Okay, over there you see this is my package. So the package under, I have a class. Okay, this is a class, public class syntax. Okay, so if you want to add a lot of class under this Unicoder Academy package, okay, how can you add a package? Just select on this package and click on your right key and just a new. Okay, and here you Java new class. Okay, and give a class name. If you add any customizable class name, then you can do it. Just I want to show that's why example. See, this is another class, and this class name is example. Okay, I think you got it. Now I don't need this class. I delete this one. Okay, and you need to understand. So here we got 3 or 4 lines. So now you see this is a package statement, and this is a class statement, and this is a main method, and this is a print statement. Okay, so you know this is a comment code. This code is no have a function, and also this code. Okay, and if I run this project, then I believe that this project is run successfully. As you see, this is a run project syntax. Okay, click on this and the project is run. Here you see the project is successfully run. Okay, built successful. Now we want to include another line. You can do it, you can copy this line very easily. Just Control Shift Hold and just press on your keyboard down arrow. Okay, now I change a print element. Just include here any number. Okay, then it's also run. Just click on this, just wait. You see, or if I remove this ln, then what gonna do? Let's see. So you look, before we have 2 separate line, but now it's together. So this ln just create a new line. So I think you got it, my dear friends. Or if you have any question about package, about public class, or about main statement or system out, okay, if you have any question, don't panic. Just comment me, comment section below, and the next video I will going to show you addition, subtraction, multiple, and many program I going to show you my next video. So this video is enough for today. See you the next video.